In this tutorial, I want to show you how to find the rule or equation that relates the number of blue tiles to the number of white tiles. Blue tiles to white tiles, blue tiles to white tiles. And we want to be able to do that for any number of blue tiles and find out. So I'm going to change this from term to blue tile. I'm going to change this to white tiles, and I'm going to just type in how many there are. So in the first there's 1, and there's 8 white tiles. Here there are 2 blue tiles, and there are 13 white tiles. Here there are 3 blue tiles, and there are 18 white tiles. If there were 4, there would be 23. So what I want to know is what is the process that takes the number of blue tiles and maps it onto the number of white tiles. So what do I have to do to one blue tile to get 8 white tiles? What do I have to do to 2 blue tiles to get it to 13 tiles? And the way to do this is to use your table of differences and calculate the first difference. So if I go 13 minus 8, that is 5. 18 minus 13 is also 5. 23 minus 18 is 5. So this tells me that if I take the number of blue tiles and multiply it by 5, then that is the first step in finding out what maps it onto 8. And the same here, 2 times 5, and then something gets to 13. So I'm going to do that over here. I'm going to take these x values, the blue tiles, and multiply them by 5. So 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 5 is 15, 4 times 5 is 20. So what do I have to do to 5 to get it to 8? What do I have to do to 10 to get it to 13, 15 to 18, and 20 to 23? So if I take 5 and I add 3, so plus 3, that will give me 8. So if I do that here, plus 3, so 1 times 5 plus 3 equals 8. 2 times 5 plus 3 will equal 13. So plus 3 equals 13. Plus 3 here, 15 plus 3 will equal 18. And plus 3 will equal 23. So 5 times 4 is 20, plus 3 gives me 23. So my rule is going to now be 5 times x plus 3. So that's what this is telling us. 2 times 5 plus 3 would equal 13. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 3 is 18. So if we wanted the 10th pattern now, we'd go 5 times 15 plus 3 equals 78. So in the 15th, if there were 15 blue tiles, we would have to have 78 white tiles to keep that sequence going. And this is the fact that this is linear is told to you by the fact that the first difference is constant. So if the first difference is constant, then you have a linear pattern.